Anna von Knutson hardly ever checks her quarterly Medicare statements, but when she took a look at her latest one, she noticed something was off.
I get these quarterly statements that I don't pay attention to, and because I was getting ready for surgery, I thought I would check to see what claims were on there. And as I looked at it, I saw that there was a charge for a COVID test on May 9th, and I knew I didn't have a COVID test.
She decided to do some investigating herself and called the number associated with the pharmacy on the statement.
Pharmacy?
Yes, I'm calling about a claim for a COVID test that I didn't have, that my Medicare has been...
Okay, 1 second, please.
But she says it wasn't helpful. In fact, Knutson believes these are fraudulent companies.
And they won't come back.
After reporting the test to Medicare, she discovered this wasn't the first time she was charged.
I decided to call Medicare and told them I didn't have a COVID test, and they discovered that this is going on, and it was a fraudulent charge. And they continued to look back into my other ones, and it went all the way back to January of 2022.
And those charges add up.
The total claim for this one was a COVID test. This one was $100. Medicare approved $96, and Medicare paid $94.08. And some of the charges were anywhere from $200 to $160 on the other ones, and Medicare paid $94.08 for every one of them.
That means Medicare paid nearly $1,500 on these fraudulent charges. And that's just in Knutson's case. Medicare has gotten calls about these charges from people all over the country. And even though this money didn't come out of her pocket, it's money that's being taken from taxpayers.
Well, I would just like for people to know that it's the Medicare trust that is going to be our future, and the future for the people behind us, the kids behind us. So I'd like to just make sure that, that we do our part.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel, and for more refreshing stories about your community, click the subscribe button right over here. You can also download our Spectrum News app to get live news coverage, weather alerts, and more wherever you are. And don't forget to tune in to Channel 55 on Dish and DirecTV for live local reporting every single day. We'll see you then.